A jump in child COVID-19 hospitalizations in New York is being seen as a warning to get more children vaccinated in California and elsewhere as the Omicron variant continues to surge. The Omicron wave hit New York before California, where cases have been spiking in the last week. California officials said they are monitoring the rise in child hospitalizations. Unfortunately, New York is seeing an increase in pediatric hospitalizations, primarily amongst the unvaccinated, and they have similar 5 to 11-year-old vaccination rates. California State epidemiologist Dr. Erica Pan. Please give your children the gift of vaccine protection as soon as possible, as our case numbers are increasing rapidly. The increase is concentrated in New York City and the surrounding metro area. Officials described pediatric admissions quadrupling in New York City in recent weeks. Half of the children being admitted to hospitals are younger than 5 and ineligible for vaccination. 3/4 of those ages 12 to 17 who were admitted into hospitals for COVID-19 were not fully vaccinated, and 100% of those ages 5 to 11 who were admitted into hospitals were not fully vaccinated. The warning about pediatric hospital admissions comes as California's Public Health Director and Health Officer, Dr. Tomas Aragon, warned that state modelers are predicting hospital surges for California. Why? Omicron is so contagious that it finds unvaccinated/non-immune people who are most vulnerable for hospitalizations and deaths, Aragon wrote. Aragon urged people to get vaccinated and boosted, test before risky events, as well as 3 to 5 days after them, and consider not attending or postponing high-risk indoor gatherings. Aragon also suggested improving ventilation and air filtration, and improving the fit and quality of masks. Health experts have increasingly urged people to upgrade their masks from cloth masks alone. A more protective mask-wearing setup involves a cloth mask over a surgical mask, which improves fit. An even more improved setup involves wearing those that are higher grade, like a KF94, KN95 or N95 mask. Dr. Anthony Fauci, President Biden's chief medical advisor, recently urged people to not go to the kinds of indoor parties attended by dozens of people whose vaccination status you don't know. Fauci said it's safer for people to gather in smaller size gatherings with family and friends in homes where everyone is known to be vaccinated and boosted, and even safer if people get rapid tests just before the event. While unvaccinated people are at highest risk of contracting the virus and suffering severe illness, the Omicron variant's mutations enable it to increase the risk of breakthrough infections among those who are vaccinated. Still, vaccinated people, especially those who are boosted, are expected to be generally protected from severe illness and death, unless they have a weakened immune system,